I'm going to let you in on a little secret of what I learned in the 10 years I owned my bookkeeping firm. And it is own those mistakes, because you're going to make mistakes. We all make mistakes. We're only human. But the best thing you can do is recognize the mistake, think about it, what happened, and then kind of reimagine in your head what you could have done differently, what you should have done. You sort of evaluate it and say, oh, I could have handled that better. Next time I talk to a client like this, or next time I get in a situation like this, I'm gonna use these words or these tactics, and sort of rehearse that in your head so that they become natural to you when when you get into a situation where you maybe didn't handle it the best that you can. But sometimes there are mistakes made. You make mistakes in billing. You make mistakes in the QuickBooks. You're like, yeah, I didn't book that right, or I did the journal entry backwards. Just own it and immediately say, you're right. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I'm going to correct that, and thank you for bringing it to my attention. And if you have staff, you do the same thing. You just say, please let me know anytime you make a mistake. I'm not going to get mad. I'm just going to make sure that we catch it before the client does, or before the client calls me and catches me off guard. And I say, what are you talking about? And so that's how I ran my business. So when you make a mistake, own it, learn from it. That's the best way. And then, try to learn something new every day. Learn how you're doing the books and really get in there and say, well, I didn't know that, or I didn't realize that. And that's going to help you go a long way. So use that tip, and you're welcome to let me know some of the mistakes that you've made, that you've learned from, if you are willing to share. Thank you.